welcome you. Tune into News Now with me, Ankita Saxena. Well, the earnings have started in, and it has started with the IT bellwether Tata Group's tech giant TCS that reported a rather subdued Q4 with net profit and the margins below the street estimates. As the company crossed $30 billion revenue milestone, the board has approved a final dividend of 30 rupees per share. And the company has won deals worth $12.2 billion during the quarter. My colleague Ansh is joining in with a breakdown of all the numbers. Over to you, Ansh.
Well, TCS has showed a mixed performance but was below the street estimates. The revenue came in at 64,479 crore, which is up by 0.8% on quarter-on-quarter basis, which is in line with the estimate. However, EBIT declined by 0.4% to 15,601 crore and margins slipped by 28 basis points to 24.2%, missing street expectations. Profit stood at 12,224 crore, which is down by 1.3% from previous quarter. In dollar terms, revenue stood at $7,465 million, marking a 1% sequential decline. Whereas on the deal front, we are seeing that company has reported a strong total contract value of $12.2 billion, which is up from previous $10.2 billion in Q3. Also, the attrition for IT services came in at 13.3%, which is slightly higher. But for the full financial year, TCS has crossed a major milestone, reporting over $30 billion in annual revenue. And FY25 revenue stood at 2.5 lakh crore, showing a 6% year-on-year growth, led by strong performance in regional market, which actually grew over 37%. Lastly, now the management commentary on demand outlook and deal pipeline will be key thing to watch for going forward.
All right, Ansh. Also, tell us about the workforce strength, because the headcount and the attrition has been a problem. So, tell us on that front, what is the number?
Well, attrition has gone up actually to 13.3%, which is slightly negative. But if we talk about deal front, then that is very positive because earlier it was just 10.2 billion, and this is unexpected that it has grown from $10.2 billion directly to $12.2 billion, which is kind of very positive for the company here.
All right. Let's thank you so much, Ansh, for joining us. We will let you go on that note. But let's look at the segmental highlights also coming in for Q4 in terms of constant currency growth on a year-on-year basis. The communication and media is actually down 9.8% on a year-on-year basis. The regional markets and others, the revenue coming in from that segment is up 22.5%, and from life sciences and healthcare, it's down 5.6%. Also, the geographical performance in Q4 in constant currency growth terms, from North America, it's down 1.9%, and Latin America, it is up 4.3%. From the European markets, we have UK and the Europe that's come in at a growth of 1.2 and 1.4%. So that's how the geographical performance for TCS has been. But
if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to ET Now.